Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Distillery Exclusive series. This is episode five. This week we're gonna be doing Legend Distilling out in Naramata, and I will be making an Old Pal cocktail. All right, enjoy. All right, so the Old Pal cocktail is a Prohibition era cocktail created by Harry McAlone from the New York bar in Paris. So it said he created this cocktail for his buddy Sparrow Robinson, who was a sports reporter at the time. Now there is a little bit of controversy over this cocktail, like any other cocktail. He wrote in his book that it uses French vermouth, which is a white vermouth. But in 1927, it's written down that he uses Italian vermouth, which is red vermouth, which basically makes it a Boulevardier. I used Noilly Prat because I don't want to open another bottle of vermouth yet, because little do people know, it doesn't actually last forever. So Legend Distilling out in Naramata, I was there just over a month ago. I picked up their Naramaro, which is their Amaro, using dandelion and citrus and nice vanilla. And then I picked up their 2020 version of their Wyatt Whisky. They've released one every year since 2018, so I have their 2018 version and I have their 2020 version. Both been aged in French oak red wine barrels, but this one has been finished in a cherry port barrel. Mostly wheat with some rye in it. I used it in the Old Pal, which is typically a rye cocktail. Because wheat has a similar kind of spiciness as rye, I feel like it would work just as well. And to be honest, it actually does. It totally works. But that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my cocktail and get back to it. Cheers.